how to use this application here to pretty much share anything to your next device. Stay tuned. This is the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. Nothing not hard for you to understand. So here you have the send button and you have the receive button. For this to work, you need two devices, obviously, and you're gonna need to have this app installed on both devices. So is either you're gonna send a application, anything you're gonna send, you're pretty much gonna tap on the send option here. You're gonna select whichever application or document or videos or song you're gonna send. As you can see, all the options here which you can send. You can also send contact information as well. So it all depends on what you want to send. You can go at the top here to search for what you want to send. So it relates to APKs and so forth. Also, if you have an APK, you can go in the package in section here. It will pretty much show you all the APKs on your device. So once you have done that, now you pretty much go ahead and select, for example, this here. All to do, have to select send. Make sure the next device is on the receive option. So they will pretty much tap on receive here and wait for you to find each other by scanning. So this is very easy to use, guys. And in the history section here, pretty much you'll see all the APKs that you have sent. Although you have installed the APK already, it may still be in the receive option or the history section here, and you can also download it or install it again. And yeah, if you want to delete it, you have to hold on to it, long press it, and then you see the delete option. So once you're gonna send or receive anything, it will pretty much show you the process as it relates to you sending or receiving anything. Once you have selected your apps or once you're going to receive, it will just show you what you need to do for the two devices to be connected. Also, as it relates to the PC, you can send to people laptops by just connecting both devices. So as you can see here, very easy application, and they do offer remove ads feature here. You can go here and pretty much remove the ads from this here. And as you can see, this is the price for you to remove ads on your device. Not on the device, for the application. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to see you guys in this tutorial that you made it this far. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.